like in the Philippines. This morning you see Christmas came a little early for me. This is a grill that I've been wanting for a while. It's from the company Hell and Back. It's a smoker, offset smoker. And when you open it up, you got the Santa Maria attachment. These cables hook up to the basket and you could raise the basket. We'll be showing you that in a little bit. Right now, I sprayed some canola oil on it. I put this canola oil on it to season it. So it's seasoned. We're trying to get the temperature up there at around 325 degrees for about 20 minutes. And it's protecting your investment. You know, you want to grill to last a long time, especially in the condition of the Philippines. It's very humid, hot, rain. You know, there's a lot of factors where it could rust real easy. So we're going to be barbecuing today. We're just prepping the grill, getting it ready. And we'll get back with you a little later on when we put that meat on the grill. Accessories via Lazada. We got I don't know if I can pronounce this right. Nikua, Japanese knife. It's forged heavy metal, very sharp. I've used it already and it seems to work very good for cutting through meat, chicken. Also got a smoke box from Lazada from my other grill where I can the wood chips were falling through the charcoal, so I could put them in this box right here, the wood chips. Set it in the grill and then I'll get the smoke released slowly. That's it. Chicken legs. Close it up. Here. Spatchcock chicken. Got the grill up to about 325 degrees. Got the breast next to the fire because it's the biggest part of the chicken. And close these wings up. All right. Just put some pecan chips in there, a little piece of charcoal. Get it going, we'll close it up and put it on a little grill. See you soon. Slide it right up under here. For about 3 hours, about 325 degrees. We're going to check the temperature right now. Put it in the breast. We're reading a temperature, but really it's pretty high, so it's well done, so it's not burnt, but we want to get it off the grill so it doesn't dry out, so it remains juicy. Still a lot of juice in there. There we go. Nice and golden brown. Plenty of juice in there. Scotch chicken. Transfer it up. I'm going to transfer these pork belly bites to a foil pan. They will be kind of sweeten them up, kind of making them like candy. Got a little butter in here. Put a little barbecue sauce in there. I'm going to cover it up. Stir it up. Put it back on the grill. They're real sweet. Become like candy. All right, move them over here. Here we're gonna put a little honey in here. A little barbecue sauce. Mix them up some. Again, I don't have too many. I'm just going to keep them on this side of the pan. And wrap them. I have tin foil, but sometimes when you don't spend a few extra pesos, don't buy quality foil. It's not good. I like to use Reynolds wrap. Here you'll notice it peels off easy. It's not all burnt onto there. All right, back on the grill. I'm going to be taking this rib off, put it on some foil. Doing like this, we'll put a little. I'm not to cut through the foil. A little butter down there. Butter will steam. Put a little sugar on there. Light brown sugar. We're going with the honey. Make it nice and sweet. I like to cook these about 3-2-1. 3 hours uncovered, 2 hours wrapped, 1 hour covered. I like to put this meat side down. We do the same thing over here. Yeah. You see the ribs? Wow, look at them there. Say hi. Okay, put this butter on here. Some brown sugar. Makes it nice and sweet. honey. That's it. We're gonna wrap them up. And back on for about 2 hours. Grill. This grill right here has been really doing good as far as holding temperatures. I haven't had to put charcoal in it for a while. I've been keeping it around 225 degrees Fahrenheit. I want to cook it nice and slow to make the pork real tender. It was open, so now it's going to climb back up. Foil, aluminum foil for 2 hours. You can see all the butter and sugar, and it's come up to temperature. Now we're going to take it out of the foil. Set it in here. We're going to apply some sauce to it. We're going to save this butter and sugar and everything, and what we're going to do is we're going to baste it when we're done with that. So I've got some barbecue sauce over here, so apply the sauce to it. Let it thicken up on it. See the bones over here starting to separate from the pork, which is a good sign of separation, of tenderness. So we're going to close this and let it sit for about another hour.